In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your VPN connection speed with Nordvpn in just 5 minutes. If you're someone who relies heavily on a VPN for privacy, accessing geo-restricted content, or maintaining browsing speed, having a fast and stable connection is crucial. Unfortunately, VPNs can sometimes slow down your internet speed. But fear not. With a few simple adjustments, you can optimize your connection for better performance. First, open up your Nordvpn app on your device. Whether you're using a computer, tablet, or smartphone, ensure that your application is up to date to benefit from the latest features and security measures Nordvpn has to offer. Once you've verified that, proceed to the next step. Next, we need to navigate to the settings menu. You can usually find this option represented by a gear icon on the app interface. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new screen that contains various customization options that allow you to tailor the VPN's performance to your needs. Once you are in the settings menu, look for the section labeled Connection and Security. Click on this option. It's where all the magic happens when it comes to fine-tuning your VPN's performance. This section holds the keys to many adjustments that could impact the speed and security of your VPN connection. Within the Connection and Security section, locate the VPN protocol option. Now, you may wonder, what is a VPN protocol? Essentially, it's the set of rules and instructions that dictate how your data is routed through the VPN server. Different protocols have different strengths, some being more security-focused, while others prioritize speed. Click on VPN Protocol to explore the available options. By default, Nordvpn may have a protocol pre-selected depending on your previous usage. To enhance speed, we recommend you choose NordLynx. Built on the WireGuard protocol, NordLynx is designed to be faster and more efficient without sacrificing security. To select it, simply click on NordLynx from the list of options. You'll find that switching to NordLynx often results in noticeable improvements in connection speed, particularly if you're live streaming, gaming, or downloading large files. It's a great way to balance speed and security without having to compromise on either front. After making these changes, it's a good idea to test your VPN speed to observe any improvements. There are many free online speed test tools that can give you a sense of how much faster your connection might be. With NordLynx enabled, you should experience a smoother and quicker connection overall, enhancing your internet browsing experience while keeping your data secure. And there you have it. You've just learned how to supercharge your Nordvpn connection speed. Keep these steps in mind whenever you notice a drop in performance. Adjusting these settings is an easy way to maintain the optimal functionality of your VPN. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your faster, more secure browsing experience.